really, really cold, is it not, Carol?
It certainly has been this morning, Victoria. You're quite right. Temperatures across parts of southern Scotland and northern England fell as low as pictures from around the country. This shows you the lovely frosty picture in Northumberland. So here we had clear skies. So northern England and also parts of Scotland, that's where the temperature fell. The lowest we could find was Strathallan, which is near Perth, at -10, Glasgow Airport -8, Edinburgh -6, Hardin in North Wales -6, Durham in northern England -5. But where we had a bit more cloud and still do across southern counties, in Swanage for example, it was +5. So there is a fair bit of cloud across southern areas. You can see this again, lovely weather picture in from Norfolk, just illustrating that point. So through this morning, the cloud across southern England and South Wales will migrate northwards. There's a noticeable breeze. It will feel cold despite the fact temperatures are a little bit higher here. And then by the time we get to the afternoon, it's northern England in particular that's favoured for a fair bit of sunshine. For Northern Ireland and also for Western Scotland, we've got some cirrus cloud, and as that comes in, it means for you this afternoon will be bright rather than sunny. But push eastwards, we're back into the sunshine. Look at those temperatures. Top temperature in Inverness, Glasgow and Edinburgh, only 1 degree. Not much better in Kendal, where we're looking at 2. But then we run all into that cloud across the rest of northern England, through Wales, the Midlands and southern counties. And the cloud is also thick enough for some drizzle, even some snow grains. And if you're wondering what's a snow grain, basically it's frozen drizzle. It's very small particles. Temperatures up to about 5 Celsius in London. Now, as we head through the evening and overnight, the cloud continues to romp northwards to all but the far northwest of Scotland. It's also going to be a breezy night. As a result of all of this, it's not going to be as cold a night as the one just gone. We will still have some patchy drizzle, still some snow grains on the hills. And where we've got the breaks, we could well see some ice or indeed some fog patches. But tomorrow, look at the spacing on those isobars. Not much in the way of wind till later. Now, as this Atlantic system comes in, it will bring rain and strengthening winds. So as we start the day tomorrow, it's going to be fairly cloudy. Again, there'll be some patchy drizzle around, and out towards the west, all the time the wind will be picking up. Then we'll see the rain later in the day start to arrive. Temperature-wise, where we've got all of that going on, 10 degrees in Plymouth, looking at about 4 in Newcastle. So if we pick up the progress of that weather front, it continues to move from the west towards the east as we go through the overnight period. In doing so, it loses some of its energy, so the rain on that weather front will tend to become more patchy and lighter in nature. But as it engages with the cold air over the hills, potentially of northern England, Scotland, once again we could see a wintry flavour to the weather. So there goes that weather front moving from west to the east, patchy in nature. Behind it, with a ridge of high pressure, things are quieter. Again, a fair bit of sunshine around, and temperature-wise, well, a bit of a change. We're looking at highs of 5 to about